Hi everyone, in today's video we are going to paint this beautiful painting in simple 5 steps. So let's get started. These are the colors we are going to use in our painting. Before we start our painting, let's finish the sketch of the hand and butterfly. Here I used my graphite pencil. Using this round brush, we are going to paint the glowing effect around the butterfly. So see, we are going to paint the blurry effect. Also we can say it a glowing effect. So all we need to do is taking a brush, and this time we don't need to touch any water to our brush. We just take our dry brush and take some amount of paint in the tip of our brush, and we are going to smudge the color around here. So you are going to use only the dry brush. Don't use a wet brush. This will not give the same result as we are doing now. Here I am going to add another layer of color to make the color more vibrant. Before that, we have to check if the layer is completely dry. Once the layer is completely dry, we can start adding the second layer. So this time I am going to do the same thing again. In step 2, we are going to apply the base color for the butterfly. So here I use the color deep yellow and I mix some white to the color, and I am going to apply the color all over the sketch. Now let's move into the third step. So in the third step, we are going to paint the patterns in the wings. Here in the outer corner, I am using the color orange, and I am going to blend the orange with the yellow again to have a seamless, beautiful blending in our painting. See, here I am gradually blending the color yellow and orange. If you are following my page for a long time, you might know that I paint from the suggestion of my followers. So this time I received a beautiful suggestion from a follower. They asked me to paint a glowing butterfly in a dark place. It is really challenging and a very interesting painting for me. I really love this painting, and let me know in the comment section how much you like this painting. Now we are adding more patterns in our painting. So here you can see I am adding this pattern. So this time we have to use more vibrant color. So here I mix the color white with a deep yellow to have this very vibrant and bright yellow. So we are going to add many patterns. So if you want to add any other pattern you want, you can add in your painting. We are painting a glowing butterfly in a dark place, so we need to add more vibrant colors. So that will make our painting more vibrant and glowing. Using my detailing brush, I am going to add many tiny lines for the pattern in the wings. So this time we need to be really careful. Use a very small detailing brush you have, and only use the tip of your detailing brush, then you will have this beautiful tiny lines. Here Here we are adding some white color between the space, so this is really beautiful. You can see how this white line makes a huge difference in our painting, and we are going to add many patterns in our wings, and let's wait and see. I specially made this painting only for beginners, so I made this wings as easy as possible. So let me know in the comment section whether it is easy for you and whether my tutorial is really helpful for you. I will really happy to read all your comments. Using these colors we are going to paint the hand. So before we paint the hand, we are going to cover the glowing effect around the hand. So you can see when we were painting the glowing effect around the butterfly, we did the same thing. Now we are going to repeat the same thing again in this hand painting. So now let's enjoy the process. Now let's paint the hand. So here I am going to mix the color burnt sienna and yellow ochre, and I am going to fill the color only we find the dark values in the hand. As we are painting this butterfly and a hand in a very dark place, there is no light obviously, so we get the only light source from the glowing butterfly. That's why the area that is direct to the butterfly will be more vibrant and bright. So here I use these colors for the dark values where the light is not hitting so hard. So we are going to apply the light colors only on the top area of the hand. So now you can see I mix the color yellow ochre and burnt sienna, and I'm going to mix the color here. So I am gradually blending these two colors. So we are going to add more colors and depth in this hand painting to make it realistic. Now let's add more dark value in the hand painting. So here I mix the color black and burnt sienna. So I'm going to apply the color where we have the really dark shades of color. As I told you earlier, the area that is direct to this glowing butterfly will have more light and bright colors. So here we use the bright color. So here I mix the color yellow ochre and deep yellow. So here we use this bright and vibrant color. If you are new to my channel and if you are watching my video for the first time, let me introduce myself. I am Rexana. I am an acrylic painting artist. I love to paint with acrylics, and here I am sharing my painting knowledge with beginners. So if you find my tutorial is really easy and helpful, then please remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel Rexana Art, and you can also follow me in my Instagram to know all the regular updates about my paintings. Now we are painting the direct reflection from this glowing butterfly. So here we are using the color yellow ochre mixed with more deep yellow, and we are using the color only in this area, and I gradually blend the color to the base color. Here we are adding the color orange, and the top of this orange we are going to add more yellow color, so we will have a very vibrant and bright colors. Here I add the color deep yellow mixed with white, so now you can see it is bright and shines like a gold, and I really love this glowing effect and the reflection from this butterfly. Here is the final result of our beautiful glowing butterfly painting. I really love this painting. I will meet you guys with another beautiful painting with a step-by-step tutorial. Until then, have fun with colors.